Here is a nice vintage, older Brougham bathroom exhaust fan here at my mom's friend house. Like, let's see, listen to it. Yep, looks like an older Brougham. If anyone knows the model or year of this bathroom fan, please let me know. Thank you for watching.